Okay. So my screen is visible, all of you?
Yes.
Okay. So actually, what we have seen, so we have seen the case one. Okay, the in last 2 days for the enterprise structure, we have defined the company, not defined company. We are defining from the plant there. Okay, so company we have used the standard one like a Zoom company code. Okay, there. So from that, what we have defined, we have defined the plant as a 9 p.m. All of you remember? So we can create a this plant for our use purpose there for a 9 PMT plant. Then we have designed define the three raw material storage location like a raw material for one, second one for the engineering spares, third one for the finished goods like that. Okay. So this is the simple case for the design is of the any enterprise structure. Okay. So we have defined the plant, storage location, then purchasing organization, then purchase group. Okay, got it. Then we can assign the plant to a company code. Okay. Then we assign the purchasing organization to a company code. Then we assign the purchasing organization to our plant. Okay. And we are not assigning this purchase group to the anyone. So this is the first case of a purchasing organization, which is at a company code level. Okay. So there are the some options I will show you in the SAP system in SPRO. Okay. In enterprise structure defined. So under that definition or under the assignment part, we have the options like assigning purchasing organization to a company code, assign purchasing organization to a plant, standard purchasing organization to a plant, and last but not least is a assign purchasing organization to a reference purchasing organization. Okay. So till standard purchasing organization to a plant, we have covered there. Okay. All of you remember these three all types we have covered there. Okay. So today I will going to explain you what actual this, okay, reference purchasing organization, standard purchasing organization. Okay. So this is the first case which we have created in 2 days before. Okay. So the Zoom company code, along with that, we have created a plant. This is the purchasing organization which is applicable at the company code level. Okay. So when we are assigning this purchasing organization, we are assigning this purchasing organization to a company code also along with the plant also. Okay. So when we are purchasing the material, it will be at the company code level. Okay. Or also along with the plant level, both. When we are assigning the purchasing organization to a company code level, so it will be purchasing the material for the plant itself here. Okay. Got it? All of you? So this is our first case. Today, we are going to learn about the second case. Okay. So what is the second case? So purchasing organization at a plant level there. Okay. So here I am just designing the one enterprise structure along with the same company code Zoom. Okay. And along with that, I have created or I have tried to create the three plant code along with the single company. Okay. Like Zoom is a one company code. Along with that, I need to define the three plants like a Zoom FMCG Limited. So I have plant name is a ZOOF there. Second plant is a Zoom Steels. So I have name as a ZOOS. And third plant as a Zoom Cars ZOOC. So I want to define these three plants along with their three separate purchasing organization there. Okay. So this is nothing but the purchasing organization at a plant level. Means here one single company code I have maintained. I am not creating any purchasing organization for this company code level. I am creating at a plant level. Okay. So all of you understand the difference between the purchasing organization at a plant level and a purchasing organization at a company code level. All of you are getting what is difference in that all? Hello, I am audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, so I'm right now what I am designing this enterprise structure here. Okay, so I'm just copying from the keep it in there. Okay, or also I have option to copy the plant from this one 9 PMT there also. Okay, so I am right now creating these three company codes, three plants and three purchasing organization there. Okay, and for that I have creating these three storage locations also, like RM stores for this plant, RM stores for this plant, along with RM stores for the this plant also. Okay, so I'm just jump into system. This is the revision for you guys. Okay, so I am just again once again defining under the logistic general. I am defining or copying the plant from the existing ones. So just for your understanding purpose, the scenario of a enterprise structure. Okay, so right now I am copying this from a 9 PMT. So what's my first plan? My first plan is a ZOOF, Zoom FMCG Limited. So I'm just entering it, ZOOF, and copying that plant there. So it will be copying all the data from our 9 PMT plant there. Okay. So plant will be copied 9 PMT to the ZOOF. Okay. Then again, I need to create a second plant that is Zoom Steel. So once again, I'm copying 9 PMT to the ZOO. Yes. So this is the business scenario ZOOS. I am creating a plant once again from copying existing ones 9 PMT. Okay. And copying all the data for that plant. Okay. So the second plant is also created. And last but not least, third one plant is a Zoom Cars ZOOC. Once again, I'm trying to copy it 9 PMT to the ZOOC. Okay. And just try to copy it once again and save this all the three plants there. Okay. Under the one company code. So right now I just go to define part of a company and search my plant ZOOF. So this is the plant ZOOF, ZOOC, ZOO. Yes. Okay. So I'm just copying the Zoom FMCG Limited. I'm just renaming the my plant as a FMCG LTD. Okay. And here ZOOS Zoom Steel Limited. And ZOOC Zoom Cars Limited. Okay. Like this, I have changed. Like this, I'm just saving this configuration. Okay. Like this, I have created a three plants ZOOF, ZOOC, and ZOO. Yes, got it. Define part I have completed. Again, I need to create what I need to create after the plant creation. Anyone? After the plant creation, what I need to create here?
Stores.
Okay. So,
Storage location.
okay. So where it is? Can you guide me? Where is the store location we have creating? Under which node?
Material management.
Correct. Under the materials management, we have the option of the maintain storage location. I am just entering the my plant ZOOF there. Okay. So here the three options of storage location will be automatically pop up. Why? Because I am copying the plant, okay, from the existing one. So I'm just saving this transaction. I'm creating new entries as a REM 00. That is the raw material storage location, okay, raw material. I'm just saving this and just take back. So for all these three plant, I am creating single storage location ZOOF, ZOOS. Here also the three storage locations available because I have copied the plant. I'm just saving this data once again. I go to the create new entries. I'm just entering RMM0 for raw material. I'm saving this transaction. Again, I'm creating a storage location for ZOOC, where also the three storage location will be automatically created. I'm just saving all the storage location there. Okay. So after the storage location, what is our next? What is our
Purchase
next?
organization.
Okay. So here I am creating a three purchase organization different for these three different plant there. Okay. So I'm just go to the maintain purchasing organization there and click on the new entries. I need to create ZOOF. Okay. Then purchase org for ZOOF. Then ZOOS. Purchase org for ZOOS. And once again here ZOOC there. Okay. So purchase organization for ZOOC. Like this, I am creating a three purchase organization for a three different plants there. Okay. So after the purchasing organization we have created, so we are not creating any purchase group because it's a different entity. If you require, you can create your own purchase group there. Okay. So here purchase group is ZOO. Just understanding purpose, I have mentioned it. Okay. So right now, what is our definition part will be completed. So next, what we are doing, we are after definition, we are assigning what we are assigning. We need to assign under this logistic. We are need to assign our plant to a company code first. Okay. Are you getting this today's enterprise structure scenario? Under the one company code, I have created three different plants. Okay. And three different purchase organization. For each plant, I have created one storage location. And this is a purchase group there. Okay. All of you getting today's topic?
Yes.
Okay. So like this is the complex business scenario. Okay. For the enterprise structure design. Okay. So I'm just now assigning my company to a plant there. Okay. So what is my first plant? ZOOF. So automatically, when we are searching for our plant, so it will be automatically linked or assigned to our company code Zoom. Why? Because yesterday also I have told you, while assigning. So I am copied the plant from the existing one. So that existing plant will be linked to the company code there. So just because of that also here, so our three plants ZOOS. Like this, our ZOOS, which is a Zoom steel plant, ZOOF, Zoom FMCG Limited, and Zoom cars, ZOOC will be automatically assigned to our company code Zoom. If here it's not assigned, then you can just click on a new entries and assign. Okay. So after the plant assigning to a company code, so next step is to assign under the materials management, assign a purchasing organization to a company code there. Okay. So here once again, just click on the position and search your purchasing organization ZOOF. So like this, these are our three recently created purchasing organization. Okay, ZOOC, ZOOF, ZOOS. So I'm just entering company code here for the assignment purpose, and just I'm saving this transaction. Okay, so this will be assigned my purchasing organization to a company code there. So next, we are assigning our plant to a purchasing organization there. So just click on the position. What is our purchase order? ZOOF. Plant is also ZOOF. Click. So there is no any purchasing organization linked to our that specific plant there. Okay, so just once again click on the assignment for purchasing organization to a plant. Click on the new entries. Enter your all the three purchase organization. ZOOF. Purchasing order for a zoo. Plant as ZOOF. So which is the training plant or is it? Name of the plant I have not changed. Okay. So ZOOS, which is a purchase order for a Zoom steel. ZOOS. So which is the plant for steel, and ZOOC, which is a purchase order for Zoom. ZOOC. Okay, and just click on enter. So all the purchasing organization will be linked to the plant name. Zoom FMCG for F, S for the Zoom steel, and C for the for the Zooms. So Zoom cars there. I'm just saving this transaction assignment of a purchasing organization to a plant. Just save this. Okay, like this, I have assigning and done all this enterprise structure. Okay, so for this company code, I have created the three plants, three purchasing organization, which is responsible for the purchasing the material for only this plant there. Okay. Any doubts still? I have created this enterprise structure today for your revision purpose only. So this is the second case where we can purchase the material at the plant level there. Okay. Every one of you there are understanding? Hello. Nandini,
Yes.
yeah. So this is the second case. So right now, we are move forward for the third case there. Okay, so purchasing organization at a client level or a centralized purchasing organization there. Okay, so where I try to explain you here. So we have the one purchasing organization there only for a two different company codes, which is called as a centralized or a purchasing organization or a client level purchasing organization there. Okay, so as you know, the 800 is our client. Okay, so under that we have the two company code. For example, take the company code as a 5100, and second one is a 5200. So under that company code 5100, we have the three plants: 5101, 5102, 5103, and under the company code of a 5200, we have the three plants like 5201, 5202, and 5203. Okay, so these two are the different company codes along with the three different plants. All of you are getting? In our first case, we have the single company code with the single plant. Here I am maintaining or the creating the condition like two different company codes with the three different plants there. Okay, so here, so what is that purchasing organization at a client level or centralized level? In this case, what you have to do, create a plants under the all same company code there. Okay, so the for this 5100, you can create a plant this one. For this company code, you can create this plant. Okay, are you getting? And when you are assigning all the things to each other, so what is our first step in the assignment part? We can assign the plant to a company code there. Okay, So this assignment plant of a company code, here you can assign these 3 plants to this single company code there. Okay. So the 5101 will be assigned to 5100. 5102 will be assigned to the 5100. Again, this plant will be assigned to a, in assignment part of the company code, you can assign these 3 company codes to the 3 plants to the single company code there. Okay, got it? All of you clear? So the assignment of a company code to the plant. Hello, all of you.
Mayur, come again. We maintain a client under the company code is different. Differentiation is 2, right?
Yeah. No. The client is the topmost position. Okay. So what is our
Okay.
first in a definition part? We can have the company, then we have the company code, plant, and storage location. Okay. So here what I am trying to say you.
Okay.
So this is the company code. Okay. So these are the 2 company codes. Under that, I have created a 3 plants for each company code. Okay. So this is the centralized purchasing. Means for these 2 both company code, we have the only single one purchasing organization. Okay.
Okay.
So for example, yesterday I have told to you one example, Tata Steel. So where is the example?
Yes.
Okay. So here Tata is a client or a company. Under that, we have the 2 company code like TCS and Tata. So here you can take an example of a, under that client of a Tata, we have the TCS and a Tata Motors here. Okay. So under that, we have the 3 plants for both the company code under that. Okay. Clear? Continue.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah. Then for both this company code, I have the only single purchasing organization there. Okay. So for 5,000 purchaser will be responsible for the purchasing material for this both the company code or for both the plants there. Okay. So how you can achieve this? So for that, you can standard procedure, you can define the plan and all the things. So in the while assignment, you can assign these 3 plants to the 5100 and 3 plants to the 5200. Then again, you can define the purchase of single in the same definition part. Okay. So where you can define the purchasing or you can define the purchase or under the materials management. Here you can define purchasing organization. Okay. So whatever you require, you can assign it, define it. Okay. So whenever you are assigning all the things, so you need to create and assign the plants to company code. It's you are doing greatly. Then when you are assigning this purchasing organization to a company code, there is no need to assign a company because no any purchase or single purchase org will be assigned to a this both the company code there. Okay. Because single purchase org will be only assigned to a single company code. This is the configuration of the SAP. So you cannot assign this purchase org to this company code. You can directly assign this purchase org to this plant there. Okay. So that means if you are assigning this purchase org to this company code 3 and 3, so it will be indirectly interlinked with this company code there. Okay. So this is the restrictions for this scenario. You can directly assign the purchasing or to the plant. There is no need to assign this purchasing organization to a company code because there is a restrictions and a configuration in SAP. We cannot assign a single purchase or to a multiple company code. This is the interview question. So they can ask in a centralized purchasing. So interviewer asks to you if you have the 2 different company codes and 1 single purchaser. So how you can assign it? Okay. All of you are clear for this situation, which is a centralized purchasing or a client level purchasing there. So Hemachandra, you are clear? Or any doubts? Anybody? Please raise your hand or ask me questions regarding these skills. Hello.
So we can assign, can choose the second option, no?
Yeah, you can choose the second option here only because we have the restrictions. We cannot assign a purchasing organization to company code multiple. Just you can go through it, just click on the position and enter it, and you need to blank this company code. Okay, so no need to go to the this window. You can directly assign the purchasing org to your all the plants, 6 plants. You need to assign this purchase org, okay, individually.
So
Okay.
this is a company code level.
Yeah. Centralized purchasing.
And we can create a client level purchase organization.
Yeah. This is same like the plant level. Okay, here is the plant level, but here what I am maintaining, for separate plant, separate purchase organization here. Okay, so here only one purchaser for all the 6 plants. Are you getting? This is the difference for a centralized purchasing and for a plant level purchasing. Okay. So all of you, Nandini, you are clear for this case or not?
Yes.
Okay, so this is about the third case, and I need to cover the last but not least, which is yesterday I have remaining the assign a purchase organization to a reference purchase organization there. Okay, so this is the last case, and today is the last day for the enterprise structure. From tomorrow, we can forward for the master data. Okay, so you can practice for the today itself for the organization structure there. So the last case is purchasing organization to a reference purchase organization. Okay, so here, so take the same scenario. There is a 2 company codes and single purchase org. Okay, so here sometimes whatever, so these all are the under same company. Okay, or same client. So this plant require the same material, along with this plant also require the same material from the common vendor. Okay, so they have this vendor which is supplying the material for this plant also and for these 2 plant also. Okay, so what they are doing, so if they are purchasing the material individually, so this plant can create a purchase order with their separate purchase, or along with this plant also creating a separate purchase order for that material. This plant also responsible for the creating a purchasing the material for the by using their individual purchasing organization there. Okay, so for that the vendor is giving the higher rate for this plant. For this plant, they are giving or quoting this different rate. Okay, so for combining these all the things and procure the material for this all the 3 plants in a single shot, so we are creating a reference purchasing organization in a definition part there. Okay, so here we can go to the definition and define the same purchase organization. So you can name it as a reference purchasing organization. Okay, and you can assign that reference purchasing organization to your in the assignment part. You can assign that assigned purchasing organization to your reference purchasing organization there. Okay, so you can assign that this reference purchasing organization to your reference purchasing organization here also. So what in future you get to know about this all the things. Okay, so by using this reference purchasing organization, so company or a purchaser or buyer can create a one contract for these 3 plants, so that vendor can give us the lowest price for the, because we are purchasing the material in a bulk for these 3 plants. Okay, so vendor giving the less price, so we can create a contract with reference to this reference purchasing organization. Okay, and while creating a PO, we are creating a PO with this purchasing organization. Okay, you're clear for this reference purchasing organization scenario? Any doubts?
I have one doubt.
Yeah, you can ask.
Whatever you told me, told us, reference purchase order is same as company code purchasing.
No, it is not same. This is a reference purchasing organization. Okay, when we are creating a contract, you will be getting more
So-
clarify on that. Okay,
So we can do same thing, no? Previously you told
No,
that.
This is a purchasing organization. Okay, reference. So this is another one purchasing organization which we need to create. These are the at a plant level purchasing organization. Okay. So I'm just telling to you, we have the two different company codes, or we have the lots of the plants. Okay. So for the plant level purchasing, we are creating an individual purchasing organization. But here I am creating a one purchasing organization and reference, and I am assigning that reference purchasing organization to all the plants there. And while purchasing the material, I am creating one contract, like a quality contract, quantity contract, whatever. So we can create a contract at that time with reference to this purchasing organization only. And while creating a purchase order, we are using a plant level purchasing organization there. So it will be beneficial for the company. So it can be cost saving for the company. Okay. We can procure the material in a bulk, and a vendor giving us the discount for that by purchasing the bulk material. So it will be rarely used, okay, reference purchasing organization, but just showing purpose, I have clarified your doubts, yesterday's doubt, whatever you are asking to me. So you are clear? You just, you're clear?
Yeah, but so this thing we can achieve from company code level purchase organization.
Company code purchase level. Okay, so you can achieve there also, okay. But here we have the two different company codes, not a single company code. And we have the different plants there. Here I'm only maintaining a single plant, single company code, okay.
Yes, but purchase organization is the
Here is a
same,
only
na?
single purchasing. Here is a only single purchasing. Okay, single purchasing
No,
organization there.
no, I'm talking about the company code level purchase organization. Where is the land? Is the company code is the both can use this purchase
Yeah, yeah.
organization.
At that time, there is no need to create your reference purchasing organization because at purchasing at a company code level only. But here, two different company codes I am taking here example. So at that time, you need to run this reference purchasing organization. Okay, for the purchasing of the material in a bulk quantity, you can create a contract with reference to this purchase reference organization. And while creating PO, you can use that separate purchasing organization.
Okay, and we can create a plant level purchase group or company code level purchase group.
Purchase group, whatever, because n number of the purchase group you can create. Okay, because
So
there is no
company
limitation
code
for the
level.
there is no limitation for the creation of a purchase group there. Okay, so I have remaining 3 minutes. I will show you one transaction one again. So how to check your enterprise structure? Okay, so this is the T code EC01. Okay, so just go to the T code of a EC01. So you can check your enterprise structure there. Okay, by using EC01 T code. I am sharing this file with you. Okay, guys. Just entering the T code, you will get it rotated into this screen. Just click on the structure, click on the navigation button, and right click there. Okay, so you can open the list of the company code there. Okay, so press the Control F key and enter your company code, Zoom. So I'm just entering Zoom, and the test company code will be open. So under this Zoom company, whatever the plants you have created, it will be showing to all of us. Just click on the Zoom like this. We have created the enterprise structure like a ZOOC, ZOOF, ZOOM, ZOOS. Okay, whatever the plants you have created, it will be showing your enterprise structure like this under the Zoom company. By using EC01, you can also check your plant, whatever you have created under that plant. Okay, 9 p.m. yesterday we have created. So under that, these three storage location like a raw material, okay, then engineering spare, finished goods. Under that, we have created a purchase org like a 9 PMT purchase org for PMT. Like this, you can check your enterprise structure also. So tomorrow we can see the master data part there. Okay. So any doubts in that? How to check the enterprise structure and all the things you're clear? And once again, you can go through the sessions today. If you have any doubts, so personally you can reach out to me in daytime also. Okay. So Nandini, you clear about these three scenarios
yeah.
which I have covered today? I am sharing this file with you. Okay, guys. So you can check it the file
Yeah, okay.
and have any doubts, you can ask me because time is over right now. 7. Establish sharing. So, Ritesh sir, any doubts? I will clear in 1 minute if you have.
No, it's okay.
Okay, so like this, you can create your enterprise structure. Okay, so tomorrow I will
I'm
see.
having,
Yeah, what? Hello.
yeah, I'm having one doubt. We are saving the purchase group, purchase organization, then plant.
Okay,
We are saving under the transport request now.
correct.
W- while only we are saving that